Question number 5. A curve having an equation y is equals to 3 over 2x square minus 5. Find the equation of a normal to the curve at a point 2 and 1 and giving your answer in the form of ax plus by plus c, where a, b and c are seems to be integer. Here you have to consider the main equation first and you have to consider the equation for a normal. So equation of a normal, in order to find equation of a normal, you have to consider the equation of a tangent first. And for equation of a tangent, you have to calculate the derivative of that expression first, dy by dx, so that you can write the slope first. So once you calculate the derivative of that expression, you are able to proceed. So your equation y is equals to 3 over 2x square minus y. Let's calculate its derivative, dy by dx first. Dy by dx could be applicable if you are writing in a way of dy dx of 3 times 2x square minus 5 whole to the power of minus 1. I'm going to calculate the derivative of it first. So power rule of derivation will be applicable. So that becomes y prime is equals to, or dy by dx is equals to 3 times 2x square minus 1. Minus could be shifted at the first, and minus 1 will become minus 2 times by the internal function derivative. Internal function seems to be 2x square. So internal function derivative would becomes 4x obviously. So that becomes 4x. And your derivative will reduce into y prime is equals to minus 12 x times by 2x square minus 1 whole to the power of minus 2. That is your first derivative. So you will write dy by dx is equals to minus 12x times by 2x square minus 1 whole to the power of minus 2. That is the first derivative that you calculated so far. I have to check that derivative at a point x is equals to 2. So once you put x is equals to 2, put x is equals to 2 at equation number 1. Equation number 1 is which one? That one is equation number 1. So once you put x is equals to 2 over here, you will get minus 12 times by 2 times by 2 times 2 square minus 1 whole to the power of minus 2, and that will reduces to minus 24 times by 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8 minus 1 raised to the power of minus 2, and that could be written as minus 24 over 8 minus 1 is 7. So 2 times 2 is 4, and there is, I think so, there is 5, yeah, there is 5. There is 5, there is 5, there will also be 5, and 2 minus 2 square will be 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 minus 5 is 3, so 3 square, that could be written as minus 24 by 9, and minus 24 by 9 further can be simplified as minus 8 by 3 with a table of 3. So that is the derivative, means that is your slope, dy by dx at the point of 2. So x is equals to 2, your derivative is minus 8 by 3. This is the slope of tangent, that is minus 8 by 3. The tangent point slope. But you have to talk about normal. So for normal, you know that there is one of a famous formula for normal equation that I am writing with a black marker. Mt cross mn should be equals to minus 1. So I have to talk about mn. So it means that m of t should be shifted onto the other side first. Then I am able to get. So slope of normal vector is equals to minus 1 over slope of tangent vector. Slope of tangent vector is minus 8 by 3. So minus minus will become cancel and slope of normal become 3 by 8. So this is the slope of normal one, that is equals to 3 by 8. Now you get that slope. Now put back that slope into the main formula that you had the equation of a line, that is y is equals to the slope is 3 by 8 mx plus some constant of intercept, that would be equals to c. That is the equation of a normal that you calculated so far up to this point. But you have to express your answer in a way of ax plus by plus c. It means that you have to write in a way of quadratic form. So you will calculate the value of c at a point, then you are able to get the expression in that way. So that is my equation that I have at the end. Now I want to find the value of c so far. So you will put y is equals to 1. Once you put y is equals to 1 and x is equals to 2, that was the point that is given to me, 2 and 1. So at the place of y I put 1 and at the place of x I put 2. So what will be the reduced answer? 1 is equals to 3 by 8 times by 2 plus some constant of y-intercept, that is c. Once you solve for c, your c value will be reduced to 1 by 4. That is your c. Now go back to the expression under the black marker, that one marked as equation number star, and put back the value of c over here. Once you put back, you have y is equals to 3 by 8 times by x plus 1 by 4. I put back the value of c over here. I have to do cross multiply because I need to find my final expression in a way of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So you will see, multiply 8 on both sides, that become 8y, which is equals to 3x plus 2. So you can write in a way 8y is equals to 3x plus 2, and you have to express everything on one side of equation, that become 8y minus 3x minus 2, which is equals to 0. Now look, either this is in standard form, ax plus by plus c. Yes, this is in the required form, 8y minus 3x minus 2, which is equals to 0. That will be